This is just a short little video that might not be any good to anyone that doesn't have a digital readout vernier caliper with the same problem as mine does. Let's have a look at it.
I have another digital caliper, very much like this one. This one is relatively new. But the other one, this printed part here with the increments on it and some writing on this one, it had all peeled off. And underneath this was a very fine, thin film, kind of looked like some type of plastic. And now it's starting to peel off, and I think that it's not going to work when that happens. So here's that old caliper. You see it's starting to peel down here, which I don't think really is in the measurement range for this right now. But eventually, this is going to get damaged here because it's no longer covered by that, whatever you want to call it, that sheet with the increments on it. So I've been looking for something that I could cover this with that won't affect the measuring system. And I think I found something. I have one of these printing machines that prints out onto this tape. This tape is almost the right size to lie in here, like so. So what I'm going to do is cut off a piece of this tape just the right length and stick it on here and put this all back together and see how it works. Now, the first thing I'm going to do though is clean this surface up because I don't want any grease on it, because I want to make sure it sticks really good. So I have some electronic cleaner here, which I use for a lot of different stuff. I'm going to give that a squirt and clean that all off. And we'll try it. So here's what it looks like after we've got it stuck on there. And we'll put it back together and check it out. Okay, we've got this back together now. It looks pretty good. I'm going to turn it on here. We're in inches and we're set on zeros. Here is a gauge block. It's a 1/2 inch gauge block. So we'll see how close we can come to a 1/2 inch with this. Within 5/10. Looking pretty good. So it seems to read just fine through here. Maybe we'll try this on a 1 inch gauge block just to see if we're measuring in a linear fashion. Okay, we've got the 1 inch gauge block here. Put that on there. Right on. Looking good.